As you begin making multiple web pages, you'll find that the number of files that you use increases by quite a bit and pretty quickly. So one of the ways to work with this is to add organization to your file system. Here I have 2 web pages and 7 different image files that go with those web pages. And as I build 3 and 4 and 6 and 8 different web pages, the number of files multiplies. So one of the ways to make this work better is to do organizing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new folder to hold all the images. And so I will just capture all these images and move them into the image folder. Now these 2 web pages, once I refresh these, all those image links are broken. So we can no longer see them. And that has to do with when we have added a folder. Remember when you're using a relative path, it says from where you are. So here I am in sunflower.html. And if I look at this top picture, the source says from where you are, look for a folder called webtechnologies.png. Well, sunflower.html is right here, and it's looking for that file, webtechnologies.png, and it can't find it. What we need to tell it is go inside the images folder and look for the file webtechnologies.png, and then it will find it. And the way we tell them to do that is for the SRC, we say from where you are, go to images / and look inside that for webtechnologies.png. When I save this and I come back to Sunflower HTML, there it is. It was able to find that file because I gave it the correct path. And now I can go through that and do that with each one of these images. So I can get that one, and where the SRC is right there. And I can scroll down and there's another SRC attribute, and I do that images / and the file name, and I come back and refresh, and there all the images show up. I can do this for the other file as well. Notice it didn't fix it just to do it on the one. So I need to come into the other file and find all of those relative addresses to those files and put images / before, and again that's saying from where you are, and where am I? I'm right where that resizing, let me go where I am, where that file is resizing.html. From where you are, go into a folder called images, and inside there look for these image files. So there's one, here's another one, and another one, and another one, and there I've got all of them in there, and I come back and reload, and sure enough, those images now show up.